How to put password on Netflix profile. To explain how to put a password on your Netflix profile, I'm gonna refer to some steps provided by the official Netflix. On the Netflix help page, you can see these steps. This works for Android phone, tablet, iPhone or iPad. So firstly, as mentioned here, you will need to open the Netflix app. You can also use it on your web browser. Now in the lower right corner, tap on My Netflix. On your profile, click on the menu icon. Then select the option Manage Profiles. Now select the profile you want to edit. Here you will see a lock icon. After clicking on the lock icon, you can add or edit the PIN. Now enter your 4 numbers to create your PIN and simply save it. On the web browser, however, you can go to your profile and select Profile Lock. Now you will need to enter your Netflix account password for verification. Then you will need to check the box to require a PIN. Just like in the app, you will need to enter 4 numbers to create your PIN. Now at last, save your changes. That's all for today. Thank you.